We'll turn now to Baystate Health. They're moving to a yellow tier after seeing an increase in COVID-19 cases. Starting today, masks are required in patient rooms and patient care areas for visitors. Masks will be available at the entrances. However, masks are optional in common spaces such as the cafeteria and in corridors. All visitors must adhere to Baystate Health infection control practices that are in effect throughout the organization, and that includes washing hands before entering and leaving the patient's room and not eating in patient rooms.